Hi everyone, this is a demo of the Phaseloop app that I've made to help you export your endless stems, realign them and get them ready for use in a DAW. So first of all, go to phaseloop.netlify.app to get to it, and when you get there, I recommend you use Chrome, by the way. When you get there, you can click on this icon which will install it as a PWA, which means you can run it on your desktop as an app. Once you've done that, you can then open it up alongside Endless, which is how I've got it here. And the fastest workflow I find is just drag and drop straight from Endless into here. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll go to the next step. So I'm just going to listen to a few stems here, a few riffs, and drop them in. Okay, so now I've dropped all those riffs in, I can listen to them in here. Each one lands in one of these scenes. So scenes are equivalent to riffs in this app. So let's have a listen. Okay, so we're going to have a go at realigning this first one. So we'll press play. And just a note, when I align this, it will affect all scenes. So every action to realign will be applied to all the scenes. So let's have a listen. Let's find where the first downbeat is. So I think it's around here. So let's do that. Now I can use the zoom buttons up here to zoom into this area, or I can just scroll with the mouse, which I'm going to do here, and then we can see this is the kick drum that I want to line it up to. Let's get it there. So I'm happy with that, that feels right. And now if I go to the next scene, you can hear that this has already now been aligned. And so is this one. Now this, I think, will have a different alignment. So yeah, somewhere between this scene and that scene in the app, I probably did a key masher, rejig things around, and so at that point the downbeat has changed. So from this scene onwards, we've got a different first downbeat. Yeah, so I don't want any adjustments here to affect the first three. So what I can do is just hover in between that and separate it. So now we have two groups now. We have this first group of scenes, which are all aligned, and we've got this second group here, and now we're going to align these. So let's have a listen to this one. So I think it's here, but it's hard to tell from the scene. So I'm going to go to the next one, see if it's a bit easier. Maybe go to this one. Yeah, so it's definitely here. So let's do that. Bring that in, and we'll do the same thing again. Now, it should have applied it to these ones because these are all connected. So any action in any scene will be applied to all. So this is now aligned. This is now aligned. I can press spacebar to stop and play. So now I'm done. I think these are all ready to go. And so I have three options down here. I can do export all, which if I do that, is going to create a folder with a zip. Let's open that up. Anyway, it's a folder with a zip with all the stems in. Yeah, and you can just drop them into your DAW as you want it. Or you can use export to DAW project. Now, DAW project is an open source interchangeable file format between DAWs. I think it was developed by the Bitwig people and is supported by Bitwig, Cubase, Studio One, a few DAWs. Don't think it's supported by Ableton just yet, but there might be a converter utility somewhere out there that will convert from DAW project to Ableton. But anyway, I'm going to do that and export that. Let's call it demo session 1. Replace the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to open that, and this will open in Bitwig Studio, and it should have everything aligned and set up ready to go. So you can see in here I've got 3 scenes and then another 6 which match up to the 3 scenes and the 6 in there, and you can see all the colors are applied, and these will all be aligned in the same way now. So let's have a listen. Why is that not working? Audio. Okay. So yeah, now you have all of those riffs perfectly aligned in your DAW as scenes, ready to go. Jam it out, arrange it, do what you want. So now you have even less excuses to finish tracks. Yeah, try it out. Let me know what you think. I'll create a channel on this Discord just to talk about this, but I'd love some feedback. This is a first version. There's going to be bugs and there's going to be more features that could be added to make it. But I think at this point, I'd really just be keen to get some feedback, just to see what works and what doesn't work for everyone. Thank you.